Which expression is equivalent to 16x to the third power y square positive 14xy? When I go over the answer choices to get the equivalent expression for this one, in each answer choice we have the factor form of the expression. So now we have to factor the expression we have over here. Okay, now let me write the given expression as it is. It is 16x cube times y square positive 14xy. Now to get the factor form of this expression, what we need to do is we have to get the greatest common divisor for both the terms. Okay, now let's consider the numbers of 16 and 14 over here. What is the greatest common divisor for 16 and 14? That is 2. Okay, now we have to get the greatest common divisor for x cube and x. How do we have to get the greatest common divisor for x cube and x? For that, we have to compare the exponent of x in both the terms. Here, the exponent is 3. For this x, there is no exponent. We have to assume there is exponent 1. So when I compare these two exponents of x, we have to consider the smaller one. So that is 1. So that is x is the greatest common divisor for x cube and x. We can factor that one out. So the same thing we have for y square and y. So y is the greatest common divisor. Okay, now I have factored 2xy out from these two terms. Now to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factor out. That is, I have to divide both the terms by 2xy. Okay, now let's divide this 16x cube y square by this 2xy. Let me do it separately. 16x cube y square divided by 2xy. So 2 goes into 2 1 times and 2 goes into 16 8 times. Okay, now we can write 8 and this x cube can be written as x square times x and this y square can be written as y times y divided by xy. So this x will cancel out, this y will cancel out. So the resulting stuff is 8x square y. When I divide the first term by 2xy, I am getting 8x square y that we can write over here. Now the same thing, we have to divide this positive 14xy by this 2xy. Okay, let me do it. Positive 14xy divided by 2xy. This xy will cancel. 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 14 7 times. So I am getting positive 7 over here. Now I got the factored form of the given expression, that is 2xy times 8x square y positive 7. We find this stuff exactly in answer choice B. So this is the expression which is equivalent to this one. The correct answer choice for this question is B.